battery life. Somewhat poorer battery life than its rivals. Fast USB-C charging. The Asus Zenfone has a 3,300 mAh battery. As usual for a new high-end phone, you can remove it and it's speedily charged using a USB-C port on the bottom. That's only a little smaller than the 3,500 mAh battery of the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, but the Asus Zenfone stamina isn't great. It's not bad either though. It's fine, and will get you through a day's use as long as you don't spend too much time listening to podcasts, or Spotify, or do a lot of gaming. 90 minutes of video playback with the brightness set to maximum takes 20% off the battery. The Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus lost just 11% in the same test. The LG G6 14%, despite using the same CPU. It seems clear old hands like Samsung and LG use battery-saving smarts, Asus doesn't. There is a power saver app that helps you drag out the battery life, but it uses classic battery-saving moves rather than ones that don't impact your use. For example, the power-saving mode stops network access after the phone has been asleep for a while. Super saving disables network access and only lets basic apps like SMS and the alarm work when the screen is off. They're compromised ways to prolong battery life.